All right, team. Today we are only going to be talking about three charts. The number one is going to be SPY, right? And we're going to be looking, where's the market going? Could we potentially have a Santa rally? And what is most likely to be happening, right? And so here, if you look in the weekly time frame, we had a nice bounce from the weekly 50 here on S&P 5, whatever. Okay, the thing that's crazy here, I'm noticing that there's a squeeze forming here, and it says that it's firing, but, we're down 0.5% in the futures, and I'm not sure why this looks like it's firing, but I do anticipate the S&Ps, right, just in general, to kind of go higher, right? Kind of along this trend, this nice, really orderly downtrend, right? Where we just kind of pop above the 50, make a little shimmy, shimmy-ya, shimmy-yo, shimmy-yay, and then we just come back down. So I'm looking for SPY to possibly get to 420, 415 before coming back down, all right? That's what I see here on the SPY. If you notice here, we're right up on the daily 200, So I do believe that, we could kind of penetrate here, get a nice, kind of false rally, and then just pop right up there. But, yeah, I think we're going to go back down. Let's look at the NQs. Again, NQ, right, we actually have not been able to get to the daily 200 on the Qs since March, right? So I think we could do a little bit better job than this. We came a lot closer back in August here. So, again, this is just a very kind of bearish chart. I do see on the shorter term time frames we are kind of like fixing ourselves. So I do believe we could potentially get a little bit of a rally, a little bit of a push, right? I'm looking for us to test possibly the weekly 50 at some point. Just, again, not very far, right? Not a huge place. I mean, if you want to check out the SPY here, right? If we could, yeah, it's not the end of the world here, right? Like, we're talking about 14, 15, 25 points on the SPY, on the Qs here, right? Just not a whole lot, okay? And again, still a very nice orderly downtrend, right? And so, again, do I expect a Santa rally of some sort? I do, actually. I'm looking for it. I think that's more likely than less, especially if you look on the shorter term time frames. It looks like we are kind of turning around a bit. We are kind of basing out a bit, right? It looks like we are making a higher low. You can see that there. Now, here's what I think you should do, right? Oh, not this. That's a VIX product. I'm looking at VIX here, right? VIX, right? And we've come right to a nice support level that is held, right? And if you know anything about the VIX, it's not really supposed to trend, right? So, again, this is a pretty orderly trend, right? So, for me, I rather go with what seems more likely, and what seems more likely is for us to just kind of, again, maybe make it a little bit push down or go sideways a bit, and then for another pop-up here on the VIX. Again, the VIX is not necessarily supposed to trend, so when it starts trending, that is something to be concerned about, right? So, maybe convert a portion of your portfolio into some VIX products. Team, that's it. That's the message. All right. Charles Becco, Brooklyn Traders. I'll see you next time.
Hey, thanks for watching. Please be sure to like, share, and follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. If you enjoy this content, please check out our website at www.brooklyntraders.net. That is www.brooklyntraders.net. Thanks, and God bless.